Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Transita Johnson and I'm going to show you this sophisticated updo that is super easy to do. I like to apply some oil, especially now where we have air conditionings on to warm and heat our flats or houses. My hair just dries out the same like in summer, so use some hair oil if you want to. It gives a lovely shine and also avoids a bit the flyaways. My short hairs in the front, they are like they are, so there's nothing to do. I need a little hair tie and I'm making with my crown hair a little ponytail in the middle of the back of my head. So this is the first step. Then I flip it from the top down, right in the middle, tightening it. And now with the help of the topsy tail tool, we're going to do the next step. So insert it and we're starting with the left hand side and we're going to pull it to the right side next to the little ponytail. So bring it through, hold and pull down the topsy tail tool. Bring inside again the tool. Take the right hand side. I'm holding the hair mostly so that it won't unravel. And then you bring that through the tool and pull again to the left hand side. And like this you make this nice looking wavy thing. To keep it in place, I'm using another little elastic. So just tie a ponytail. You could even leave it like it is. But I'm flipping again the ponytail under, so from the top down, tightening it. This is the ponytail. That's what I said. You could leave it like this. I'm going to use the third hair tie, and with this I'm going to tie the ends. I have one layer at the end of my hair, so I cannot go completely down. There where I have the hole, I'm inserting the end of my ponytail that I just put together with the hair tie. And now I'm taking some hairpins and I'm grabbing hair from the sides and pinning it down to my head. 2 extra ones. Just to make sure that it won't unravel during the day. And so you have one right, left, top and down. And that's the final result. Super quickly done. That takes you less than 5 minutes and looks very nice. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like. And if you want to see more tutorials, if you have some requests, just leave me comments down below and I will answer you and come back to you soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.